Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm here to show you about the new NVX audio giveaway. I'll send you guys a link and bring you to my Facebook page here. And you just go down, scroll down to this, which is the giveaway, and you click enter now. And it'll bring you to a page to the giveaway. And as you can see, it's $4,400 in prizes, amp subs, wiring, and more. They got some boxes, headphones, dampening material. It's a bunch of good stuff, and it's pretty easy to enter. You just go here, fill out your name, your email and stuff, and submit it. But yeah, make sure to go and enter. Don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and good luck.